All right, let's go into a little bit of news nonsense for tonight. I think Sleepy's in the house. Sleepy, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here, just listening.
Okay. I didn't. All I see is your bird there. I don't see you, but okay.
Yeah, I turned my
He
camera off.
gave
My
us the
daughter's,
bird.
You gave us the
My
bird.
daughter's sitting next to me.
That's one for Dan. Okay. All right, cool.
I'll give you the bird.
Well, you just did. Okay. All right. Let's. This is from a story a few days ago. I like cats. I love animals in general, including birds. But I don't know if you saw this, but this happened in China. A male cat had to be given an IV drip because apparently the night before, this cat got romantic with 5 female cats. There's a picture.
That's a lot of rare in the alley.
And it got dehydrated.
Man, I'm getting tired just thinking about it. There's a picture. There's a picture of the cat that I saw. You know, he's like zonked out with this. No, but let me read this. First, I thought, come on, man. But evidently, this happened in South China at a pet hotel, I guess they call it. The cat was allowed to roam free and do what cats do. The cat was not neutered, so the cat had a nice romantic evening 5 times. So according to this guy, the hotel staff or the pet hotel staff blamed the owner for what happened because the cat owners of the female cats, they were not planning on having on their cats to have kittens. So the owner of the male cat says, can you bleep and believe this? My cat is exhausted. He's on a glucose drip, and this is how? My fault? And of course, this happened in the South China's province called Guangdong. Of course it did.
No.